Hey, what's up guys? You are looking at my Blue Dry HEPA air scrubber here. I'm using it because I'm starting a drywall project. You can see in the background I'm working on some drywall, getting ready to do some sanding, and I got this out because I want to keep my air clean. Right? I've been using this thing for about 10 years and I use it for every type of DIY construction project that I work on, because it's very important to me to keep all of the dust and construction debris material stuff out of the air. So I always use this. I also use it if I'm working on like smaller projects, like any type of cutting. Like I said, anything that's going to make any type of dust, I break this thing out. You can see it's obviously good and used. My pre-filter there, time to change it. But anyways, I'm going to turn this thing on for you so you can hear how loud it is, just so you have an idea of what you're looking at. I'll say obviously it is loud, right? It's a big fan. It has a lot of layers of filtration to go through. So it's definitely loud. So, but anyway, so it's off now. Turn it to max, listen. All the way down now. So I mean, even on low it's really loud, but again, that's because it's moving a lot of air and it's doing its job. One of the things that's really cool about it is that, you know, you do have these plugs up here, so if you need to move this thing around and plug in any tool or something to it, you can use that. And it's a, you know, GFI plug, so it'll trip if anything goes wrong there. But anyway, so like I said, I use this thing all the time. I will always use it. If it ever does break, I will definitely buy another one, and I do recommend it. It's a solid product, a solid buy. Thanks.